Right, evening YouTube people. Tonight we're down in Berkshire. It's a collaboration meet. There's multiple clubs down here tonight. So we've taken a trip out of London. We was up filming supercars this afternoon and this morning, and we've now come all the way down into Berkshire to see what's going on down here tonight. So stay tuned, this should be a good one. So as always, we've only been here a few minutes and here comes the first police car. Always a bad sign. So here comes sneaky police car number 2. Oh look, he's calling it in. He's going to need backup. There's so much noise here, they're going to have to kick us out. There we go, 2 takeaway meals. That's his night done. The only way to make your car stand out, stick some neons on it, look at that. You've got nothing better to do. Nice Sylvia there coming in. Maybe you'll be drifting later with the angle on them front wheels. Right, so the police are out on foot now. I think another location's been dropped, so we're heading back to the car. We get that in the sat nav and we get to the next location. Guess what? I'm in another dark car park again. Somewhere in Bracknell, I think. So there seems to be a little car park behind us where people are parking up, and there's a roundabout down there. So I'm not sure if we're straight at a drift area, but cars are all rolling in. We've managed to get ourselves parked up. So we're near both. We're near the car park and we're near the roundabout. So we're just going to wait and see what goes on. Cage Clio 172. Stick a turbo on them and they fly. So we're lucky that we get the location slightly early, because this is going to be ram-packed later. We've got whoa, me nearly fell over. We've got a nice little, stop laughing. We've got a nice little space up here. And down here in the distance, yeah, look, there's a little roundabout there. VW Betty. Well, they certainly have the high modified cars in Berkshire. Here we've got a Seat Arosa. Oh, up in the power now, Suzuki Swift. This is the big league down here. That's nice, I'm not sure if that was a RS5 or a 7. Still the power continues, we've got a Z-Tech S coming in. What's that, Honda Accord, is it? That's nice, an old RS Focus coming in. That's a cool little ST 150. Yeah, wicked first cars they are, or second cars. What is that, Lazarus? Oh, the MP60s, is it? They're about 262 MP3, is it? I don't know. Rover for test, that's wicked, man. How you doing? You alright, yeah? 3.5 litres, I think they are. He's the main man in Berkshire, he is, with his neons and his exhaust. It seems to be when we come down this way, there's always police involved. So there's a police car here already. We've got this undercover one, this Corsa, but it's even got Thames Police written on the front of it. Yeah. And then we've got another police car turned up here, so there's a couple of them down. So yeah, we're just going to sit up, see if there's a new location come out, or whether they go, we don't know. But yeah, what can you do? He said just reverse back into it now, mate. You just clumped it once. Well, I can't work out if the police are just making a presence or they're out actually taking people's details down. It don't look like one of your typical traffic cars. A little Corsa is. I don't know. They must have done something bad to get that car. That was boring. Nah, he got down all right. So I think the police are now walking around this car park asking everyone to leave. It's a shame this is completely out of the way. There's a little roundabout, it's a dead-end industrial estate. There's no one down here. Why would you want everyone to leave?
Right.
You want to go in front, yeah?
Yeah, I see.
Right, that was a bit of a quick drive down the motorway. It's pitch black, so I don't like going too quick, but we had a few good blasts with some people down there. And we're now at another shopping centre, Sainsburys, I think. And I'm not sure what location we're at, whereabouts it is. But we'll try and park up here and see how long it takes for the police to turn up at this one, eh? And if the police turn up pretty quick, I think someone's telling them. So let's see what happens, eh? Hopefully, fingers crossed, they don't. So what did I say? If we turn up here and the police turn up, someone's telling them, well, look, straight on our tail, I've only been here like 1 minute, and we drove quick on the way down here, and the police are there blocking the entrance. This is not good down here. He seemed to come down this neck of the woods and he just gets stopped straight away. Anyway, let's see what happens as always. Right, to make things worse, it's raining as well, but look, the police have over there, they've shut the entrance down to stop people coming in. Now, what a night, man. So, yeah, we come here once before and it got shut down straight away, and same thing again. After people park up here in the petrol station. You alright, man? Nice bit of noise from the Lexus. That's it. If you see a camera, you got to make some noise, haven't you? How you doing? You alright?
Yeah.
We're moving on again, are we then, yeah?
Hope so.
It's annoying, isn't it? Have a good night, yeah? Yeah, so everyone's parking up waiting for the next location. See, in this garage, he's getting loads of money out of everyone. This is a proper Fast and Furious garage. Filmed this Honda on the way down. You alright? That looked nice, that did. I'd imagine we're going to be moving in a minute because no one can get in here, so we got here quite quickly, so we managed to get in, but as soon as it's been blocked off, no further cars can get in.
Anyone turning up in Gymwear, blocking the roundabout, go somewhere. Alex, I'll see you in a bit.
Has everyone got to leave, mate, have they, yeah?
Mate, it's causing carnage. Who's organised it, do you know?
Oh no, I just filmed, mate, nothing to do with me.
They've blocked all the entire roundabout.
What, down there?
Yep, the road's gridlocked.
I thought that was you guys who blocked it.
No. Coming off a junction,
Yeah.
12 is just blocked.
The only thing is people just parking out. I don't think there's nothing. Well, like you say, it's just busy, isn't it? That's the problem.
Well, it's an organised meet, isn't it? That's what's made it busy.
Is that illegal, an organised meet?
It's not illegal to organise meet. Illegalities turn up when people turn up with non-conforming number plates in windows.
I get
so
that,
we can start dealing with all that and give tickets out for
So it's not illegal for everyone to actually arrange and turn up.
It's illegal to block the highway,
but
due to it all. There's all sorts of complications.
Yeah, I know, mate.
What it also detracts from is what we're supposed to be doing, which is helping people at collisions.
Yeah, I get
we have to deal with this.
So the big issue here is not the actual meet. They've not got an issue with an organised meet, or so he says. It's the fact that it's blocking a roundabout, and then the illegality of the cars that are here, some with false number plates. But he's just said, once again, it's not illegal to have organised meets. So how come you can get a Section 59 for just being here? So that's another contradiction. But anyway, it's going to be moving on soon. All right, new location's out apparently, so we're going to leave this place. So I'm going to head back to the car. I think it's going to go like this all night, so I don't think much is going to go on, but we'll turn up to the next event and just film it and see what happens, eh?
Did you hear that?
What did he say?
New location.
We've just turned up to I think we're on the 4th location, and there's police here before we even got here. And as we drove past that policeman, we heard him say there's a new location out. So someone's telling them, they're on someone's social media. You guys have got to sort this out. You've got to somehow get this private, because it's pointless everyone driving all this way just to f off back home again. Something's got to be done about it. It's getting a bit out of hand at the moment, these meets. Anyway, so I'm not sure what we're doing. We might go and sit tight in a garage for a while and work out where we go from there. So it's a VW racing standard that I never give out locations. I just don't do it. I get asked by so many people because they know I'm in the know, but I just don't give them out. It's not my meet. It's not for me to give them out. So it's a complete standard. It's a no. And if I see your car doing a drift or a burnout, or you've got flames coming out the back, then I will blur your number plate. If you're going a bit fast on the motorway, sometimes I don't. If it's stupid fast, I will. They're our standards. We want to keep this underground. That's where it should be, and that's what it needs to remain. I don't know where we're going wrong at the moment, but this meet is just not working. So I think we're on the move. There is another location, but you can bet police are going to be there as well. Let's see what happens, eh? So there you go, look, we just turned up at this location and there's f***ing police here already, man. So they're definitely following this event. Anyway, we went down a f***ing big pothole. I need to get my torch out and have a look at my tyre. I don't want a repeat of Wembley. Well, I've not caught any of the rim and the tyre's still up, so we'll leave it at that for the minute. I really can't see any point in staying, so we've turned up and there's a police car straight away pulled in. I'd imagine there's going to be more in a minute. They're hovering around, which means nothing can go on, so it's pointless. There's no action down here. We can park up and sit here, but no, we're going to jump in the car and head off home. So we're heading back to London. That's us done. Have a good one and stay tuned, yeah.